Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have a haul from 3 different stores. We have SHEIN, Temu and The Range. So we're going to start off with The Range, and I just picked up this gorgeous paper pad, and they have started bringing out their Valentine's stuff, and I noticed there was a few in the craft area. So I saw this paper pad and I had to get it because it was adorable, and I love the Range paper pads. It's the art studio, because they're so affordable and they have some beautiful pattern papers. So this one is called With Love. It is 12 by 12 and you get 12 unique designs, 2 sheets per design. So let's have a look through this one. So it doesn't have to necessarily be for Valentine's either. There's some papers that are, you know, cute that you could use throughout the year. Obviously this one is more Valentine's, but you've got ones here that are bows, and then that one has got bows and strawberries and little hearts. So I love that variety that you can use even throughout the whole year. So absolutely gorgeous. Love this one. This one's pretty as well. They're just all so cute, and yeah, I mean they're really nice thick paper as well, so you can't go wrong. And I think it's like $3.99 for a paper pack, so can't go wrong really. So that's what I picked up from The Range. Next we have an item from Temu. So I wanted a sign, an acrylic sign, to have in my photos, or you know, in my videos, you know, so like along the top here, I don't know, but I wanted something that was really bright colours and would stand out. And I saw this and I thought that that would be perfect. Now obviously with Temu, Wish and AliExpress and all that, you're not sure if it's going to be good quality, but this is really good quality. As I said, it's acrylic, and the cut and everything with the words is stunning. It's just brilliant, and I absolutely love this. So obviously it says at Crafty Heaven, so I'm on Instagram and Facebook, so then I can place that in my photos with my projects, and then you know, people will know it's made by me, and they can also find where I am on social media. And I think this was only £10, so you can't go wrong really. And yeah, I absolutely love that. Next we have some items from SHEIN. So I mostly got all stickers to turn them into ephemera. So I love ephemera, especially for something like a quick project, and they're just so, you know, easy just to grab and make a card. So I've picked up a few different like cartoon characters. So the first one we have is Garfield. Some of them are smaller than I thought they would be, but that's fine. So especially like these ones, they're a bit smaller than I thought, but as I said, I'm not angry with that, because it's always handy to have smaller things. So like I said, these are stickers, but I'm going to stick these on to some cardstock and then cut them out, and then they will be nice and sturdy for ephemera. So yeah, love that. So we've got different ones of Garfield, and you never know, someone in the family or your friends might like Garfield, and it's just always handy to have these in my stash, so then you know I've got them. I mean, I might never use them, I might never make a card with them, but at least I've got them, and they're so affordable. I think there was like £1 even less than that probably. I'll link everything down below so you can go and take a look. Some of the products may be still in stock, they might not be. It's one of those things, and also the prices vary with SHEIN and Temu and things, so what I pay might not be what you pay, so just keep that in mind. But as I said, they're really cheap, so that's that one. So I've got strawberry shortcake. I know someone who likes strawberry shortcake, and that's my good friend, so these will get used for a card maybe. So let's have a look at these ones. So this one has quite a big sticker. I mean, look at the size of that. How cool is that? And these ones, like I said, some of them will vary in size, like those Garfield ones were tiny, but then you get these ones that are, you know, bigger, so it just varies really. Look at that one, how cute is that? And you get all the little stickers as well. And then we've got these ones, so these look like they are a lighter shades in colours, whereas this one is a bit more brighter. So let's have a look at these ones. I'm trying not to get them mixed up. So we've got that cute little girl there. So we've got this one and a strawberry. They're just so cute. I absolutely love them. And I can't wait to make, you know, cards with them. You could even use them to decorate gift boxes and things like that. It doesn't necessarily mean they have to be for cards, but you can see that they peel back quite easily, and yeah, I really like them. So that's the strawberry shortcake. Next we have Mean Girls. So again, we've got some large ones for this one. We've got some lips, hearts, different sentiments, getting loser, we're going shopping, plastics, you can't sit with us, she doesn't even go here. So there's some really fun sentiments in there. And we've got a crown. So yeah, love those ones. So that's the Mean Girls. Next we've got Friends, the Central Perk sign, all different images in there. We've got the car, the guitar. Yeah, love those. And there's those ones with Rachel, Phoebe, and I think that's, yeah, Ross. We've got the monkey, got the sofa. So yeah, love those ones. So really happy with those ones as well. And then we've got Carebears. So I do have the Carebears ephemera that you can get from Craft World. But when I saw these ones, I thought I'm going to get these as well, and we can compare them. I know these are stickers, whereas the other ones are ephemera, but I thought we could compare these ones and see the quality. So let me grab the other ones. So these are the ones that you can get from Craft World. So, and you can see the quality is pretty much exactly the same. Obviously these are just stickers, but it looks like it's got the same design. So yeah, and the thing is as well, ephemera can actually be quite expensive sometimes. So there's this one. How cute are they? Love them. And these ones are really good sizes as well. So then we've got all the little ones. It's in a donut on roller skates. Oh, look at that one. They're just so cute. I love them. So I'm definitely going to be searching on SHEIN for more stickers. We Halloween ones. Look at that, how cute. Got some bats, we've got this one. These are cute. Trick or treat, make it sweet. These are adorable. Oh, love them. So that's the Care Bears. And then finally, with the stickers, we have got Batman. My daughter likes Batman. I love Batman. So, you know, I could make a card for her with Batman. So, again, good size for these ones. And they'll be quite easy to cut out as well once they're stuck to your card. So, yeah. There we go. So that's the stickers, and then to store the stickers and ephemera, I found this folder. I've only seen the small ones, so the small ones are these ones, so you can see the size difference. So this is like a 6x4, which is also good to put some of your ephemeral stickers in, but if you've got any larger ones, then obviously they won't store them. But I saw this one, I think it's like a 5x7, it might even be bigger than that, and you get quite a lot of pages, and I thought that I could store all my ephemera in here, because at the moment I have them all in a IKEA trolley in the packaging, and I want to try and save space. So I thought if I get a folder and put them all in here, and then I can have more space in my trolley. This video a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel. Until next time guys, take care.